Welcome back to our Channel X universe. Today, we have an unbelievable update that's going to leave you on the edge of your seats. NASA, the world-renowned space agency, has just made an astounding discovery on the mysterious red planet, Mars. You won't believe your ears when you hear what they've found. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mind-blowing updates from the cosmos. The curiosity of methane. Hold on to your space helmets because the Curiosity rover stumbled upon something really interesting: methane gas on Mars. Methane is known as the cow fart gas on Earth, but it's also produced by living organisms. Could there be tiny, unseen creatures causing these methane burps on Mars? Scientists are scratching their heads trying to figure out if the gas comes from some mysterious geological process or perhaps even life hiding beneath the surface. Imagine Mars with its own little gas-emitting critters. Mars seismic activity. So picture this. Since 2018, we've got a spacecraft inside Mars, eavesdropping on its tremors using some snazzy seismic experiment. But guess what? Mars is a pretty chill planet when it comes to quakes. We're talking about around 1,300 tremors. Crazy, right? Especially when you're used to Earth's insane 500,000 to 1 million earthquakes every single year. And these Martian vibrations? Well, they're kinda weak, like a faint whisper. We've had only a handful of not-so-mighty quakes, the strongest being a 4.2 magnitude back in August 2021. Oh, and there was a magnitude 5 in May 2022. Now, on Earth, a 5 magnitude quake could rattle your windows and nudge some buildings, but on Mars, it's a big deal because quakes on the red planet are beefier, thanks to some tectonic juggling and volcanic rumbling. Don't worry, Mars isn't throwing tantrums, but it's got some simmering tectonic processes bubbling beneath its surface. The red planet's magnetic mystery. Mars is harboring a magnetic secret that has scientists intrigued. Once possessing a robust magnetic field like Earth, Mars now flaunts a weaker one. The reason? As its core cooled down over the ages, its magnetic strength waned. This weakening magnetic shield left Mars exposed to the sun's fierce solar wind, which proceeded to strip away much of its once thick atmosphere. This atmospheric loss transformed the planet's climate and surface conditions dramatically. Understanding this magnetic history not only sheds light on Mars' past, but also offers insights into its present and future. The Martian magnetic mystery is a puzzle scientists are piecing together to comprehend the planet's transformation and its implications for any future missions and colonization endeavors. Organic molecules and possible life on Mars. Fast forward to 2022, Perseverance rover hits the jackpot. It finds organic molecules near ancient Martian water sources. Think of these molecules as potential building blocks for life. And hey, this isn't just any spot. It's like the coolest club on Mars, the Jezero Crater. Picture it as an ancient river and lake junction that's got scientists buzzing. There's this instrument called Sherlock on the rover, and it's detected some hydrogen-carbon action, the kind that's crucial for life. Imagine molecules giving each other a high five saying, "We're ready for action." And those sulfites they're hanging out with, they could be ancient signs of life. We're talking Martian detective work here. The mystery of Martian habitability. All right, now let's talk about Mars' extreme living conditions. Think frigid temperatures, nasty radiation, and a serious lack of water. Not exactly a summer vacation spot. No lions, tigers, or bears. Oh my, not even a mouse. But hold on a second. What if we've been looking in all the wrong places? Could there be microscopic life hiding where it's warm and cozy? We're talking deep down below the surface. You know, those underground lakes we found? Yeah, they might just be the ultimate hotspots for life. Or, well, whatever counts as life on Mars. Methane and oxygen production. Now, let's talk gassy business. Mars has methane, and we're not talking about little burps. We're talking about the stuff that could be linked to life. And here's the cool part. We've got a nifty gadget called MOXIE. It's like a sci-fi toaster that turns Martian air into oxygen. It's like magic. It sucks in carbon dioxide and spits out oxygen. It might not be churning out a lot yet, but it's a small step for Mars, one giant leap for future Martian explorers. Unpredictable Martian weather. Mars is a world of extreme weather that challenges our notions of what's normal. Brace yourselves for wild updates from the Red Planet's weather report. Enormous dust storms, dwarfing anything seen on Earth, can envelop the entire globe, shrouding the landscape in an eerie red haze for months. When night descends, temperatures plummet to a bone-chilling -195 degrees Fahrenheit, -125 degrees Celsius. Imagine frosty landscapes stretching as far as the eye can see. These hostile conditions demand a different kind of preparedness for future explorers and colonists. Surviving and thriving amidst the dust storms and icy nights will necessitate cutting-edge technology, resourcefulness, and creative solutions. It's a glimpse into the otherworldly challenges that await those who dare to venture onto the surface of Mars. Uncovering Martian lakes. Let's rewind to 2018. Imagine having a radar peeking underground from a spacecraft orbiting Mars. Surprise! It spotted some sizable lakes chilling out beneath the surface, ones even hanging out in Plenum, Australia, which sounds like a fancy Martian neighborhood. But wait, there's more. Instruments on another fancy spacecraft spotted giant reservoirs of water hidden away in the Valles Marineris canyons. We're talking water real estate the size of the Netherlands, folks. Now, these lakes, they're like celebrity hangouts, but for microbes and stuff. Think about Antarctica's subglacial lakes. Microbes and fish live there. Could Martian lakes be their cosmic cousins? Martian atmosphere and oxygen challenge. Let's talk about the Martian air. It's not exactly a breath of fresh oxygen. Mars has an atmosphere, but it's mostly carbon dioxide, which isn't great for humans. But remember MOXIE? This clever device is like a Martian air chef. It takes in the carbon dioxide-rich air, works its magic, and voila! It produces a little pocket of breathable oxygen. Think about it. A future Martian colony might depend on devices like MOXIE to keep the air cozy and oxygen-filled. Mars exploration and colonization plans. Elon Musk and NASA are teaming up for a Martian adventure. Picture astronauts on Mars by 2029, exploring like real-life space cowboys. And Mars? It's the next big thing. There's talk about settling down, building colonies, and having a Martian barbecue. But hey, colonizing Mars isn't a walk in the park. It's like moving to the Arctic, but with way more red dirt and zero Amazon deliveries. Mars is a fixer-upper, and scientists are the renovators. With those microorganisms in the lakes, they could hold the key to surviving Martian challenges. Plus, there's a plan to turn Mars's toxic carbon dioxide air into breathable oxygen. Imagine future Martians living in their cozy glass domes, breathing oxygen made by MOXIE, with a view of Martian sunsets. Exciting times ahead. And there you have it, folks. We hope you're as thrilled as we are about this astonishing revelation. Share your thoughts and speculations in the comment section below. And remember to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and tapping that notification bell so you're always in the loop for our riveting cosmic updates. Until our next episode, let your curiosity run wild and continue to embrace the extraordinary.